Today I'm going to show you how to use Blue Iris to send photos to your phone on demand. Blue Iris is extremely powerful NVR that does a bunch of stuff. Here's a quick look of Blue Iris running in my house. You can see that it has a lot of options, a lot more than the standard NVR that we are used to, like from Reolink or Amcrest. So today I'm going to show you how to grab any photos, any snapshots from Blue Iris straight to your phone. If you're a tinkerer like myself, definitely take a look at Blue Iris if you haven't already. It is crazy powerful with AI features in it, and it works seamlessly with Home Assistant. The software itself is $100, but you'll also need hardware. You don't need crazy expensive hardware either. The computer should have at least 32 GB of RAM, 1 TB of SSD for the Windows OS to reside on. The chip should be at least 7th generation Intel i7. For hard disk drive that all of the video footage will be saved onto, should be at least 4 TB. That is assuming that you have 6 cameras running. So yeah, for a total of about $100 plus $350 for hardware, you can build a really nice NVR for about $450. The whole process is extremely complicated and it took me a while to set it all up, but here we go. Go ahead and go into the upper left hand corner into settings. By the way, I'm using version 5.9.5.3 64-bit version. Go into storage, go down into Snap, and here it's pointing to the HA server, my Home Assistant server, which is the IP address /config/www/media. If you want to pull snapshots from your camera, such as this alley for instance, go ahead and right click on it, go to camera settings, go into record, checkbox JPG when alerted, send it to the snap folder that we set up earlier, uncheck use default and just use the ampersand cam, and then click on OK. Let's jump into the configuration file of your Home Assistant. You should allow the external directory media. If it hasn't been allowed, allow it now, and then click on save. Next, be sure you have this custom component. It's called delete. Once you have your configuration and delete custom component set up, go ahead and restart your Home Assistant. Now let's set up an automation. We're looking at the YAML mode, not the UI mode. That way you can see the whole thing, not just one at a time. The trigger would be Telegram command. That way, whenever I use Telegram on my phone and I type in /driveway, it will do this whole action right here. When Blue Iris execute the snapshot, it will save the photos from whatever cameras that I want into this location right here, which is the config www/media. The next action will be waiting for 2 seconds. 2 seconds delay to make sure that everything is safe in this directory, the media directory. Next up, we're going to use the Telegram send photo. It'll grab whatever camera that I want and send it to Telegram on my phone. We're going to wait another 10 seconds to make sure that everything is transmitted from the HA server to my phone. 10 seconds is more than enough. I think 5 seconds is good as well. And then finally, delete the file. For some reason, Blue Iris cannot overwrite whatever file that already exists in that media folder. So we have to delete it and prepare for the next folder to be shot. And then that's it. We're all done. Let's open up Telegram on my desktop and type in that command that we saw earlier, /driveway. Sometimes I want to see whether there's a car in there or not to make sure that there's space for me to park in the driveway. If there's no space, go ahead and park somewhere else. There we go. It works. Beautiful. Alright, hopefully this video helps you on how to get Blue Iris to take a snapshot of whatever cameras you want on demand and then send it straight to your phone using Telegram. I really appreciate you guys subscribing to my channel, liking this video, and thanks for watching.